Hey guys, this is Alex and welcome back to my series on solving LeetCode problems. So this is problem 933, number of recent calls. You have a recent call class which counts the number of recent requests within a certain time frame. Implement the recent counter class. Recent counter initializes the counter with 0 recent requests. So self.counter equals 0. And ping adds a new request at time t, where t represents some time in milliseconds, and returns the number of requests that has happened in the past 3,000 milliseconds, including the new requests. Specifically, return the number of requests that have happened in the inclusive range t minus 30 and then t. It's guaranteed that every call to ping uses a strictly larger value of t than the previous call. So recent counter, we initialize it, we do a ping with ID 1 and 2. Oh, the t is the time that this is done. So okay, so counter must be like a list, and then ping. First thing we do is self.counter.append t, and we then do return values, return and number of recent calls equals 0. So for index in range length of self.counter -1 until index 0 inclusively, which is -1, step -1 because we're going backwards, I can go and say if self.counter of index is bigger or equal than t minus 3000, if this is the case, I can say number of recent calls plus equals 1, else break, and then I return number of recent calls. Let's submit. Well, it worked. Runtime was a bit bad. Memory could be better. Well, what I could do is say like a subtraction result equals this, so I don't need to be doing that subtraction, not subtraction, over and over again. That might improve things. Well, it did improve them. Still didn't get such a good result. So yeah, but I guess this is what it is. Let's see what people did in the solutions. Easy solution. We maintain a queue of timestamps. When a new request comes in, we add that timestamp to the queue. We thus remove timestamps from the front of the queue that are outside the 30 millisecond window. Length of the queue at any point represents the number of requests within the window. Actually, yeah, let's do something different. So Let's append t 1. So at this time, 1 happened. And let's do, instead of going like this, for index and range, I think you can do, if it's bigger or equal than subtraction result, I think we can remove the last one. Counter index 0 is bigger. Then we do self dot counter dot pop. So we remove the last one. Yeah, I think we remove the last one. And this is value and counter and the number of recent calls. So this one. Else, I'm going to add to the counter no, this doesn't make sense what I'm saying. I'm tripping. I like my solution. I'm gonna keep it that way. Hope you guys enjoyed it.